Hello campers and RVers. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 reasons why you should make your own RV repairs. The first is very obvious. It's cost. The cost of labor of having somebody come out to your RV unit or your camper is very costly. A lot of times they have trip charges to come out to your unit, and taking it into a shop, they have labor charges, and sometimes those labor charges are way more than the actual cost of the supplies that are needed to make those repairs. So the first one is cost. The second is schedule and time. A lot of times you try to make an appointment to get your RV repaired, and they are very well booked. They have lots of appointments, months down the road, and even the Airstream mothership is booked sometimes 6 months it takes to get an appointment with the with the Airstream mothership in Jackson Center, Ohio. It's unfortunate, but that's just the way it is, and you have to schedule these things out. And if you have prepaid RV stays at various places, then that can really affect your schedule for going camping, which is very unpleasant. So schedule and time is the second one. The third is to build your skill set so that when you go out camping, if something happens, that you're able to make your own repairs. You can build your confidence by making those repairs, and that's why I've showed you in several of my previous videos how I make the repairs on my Airstream. I don't have the skill set or the knowledge for doing these. I'm not a mechanic. I'm learning as I go, as you can see in these videos that I do. But each and every time that I make a repair, I'm building my level of confidence so that I can make the repairs on the next issue that arises. The other thing is, I don't have a plethora of tools to make these repairs, and a lot of the repairs that I make in the Airstream, and I'm sure possibly with other campers, most of the tools you can purchase at your local hardware store or a hardware store on the road, or also your local five and dime location. So it's not a lot of real technical tools that you need to make some of these repairs that I've showed you in my videos, and some of the repairs that need to get done. The next is convenience. Convenience is huge. You could be out RVing and camping and something doesn't work. For example, when I picked up my Airstream from the showroom floor, went out camping and had prepaid for various days, and the water heater didn't work. And that was a real inconvenience not to have hot water. So I did the research. I figured out that it was actually the motherboard that wasn't working. I contacted the place that I purchased the Airstream from and discussed it with them, and they FedExed a motherboard out to me, and I installed it and worked great afterwards. I mean, everything was resolved, and I was able to continue with my various RV trips that I had planned. So the convenience is huge. If you can go out and make those repairs, you're saving yourself a big headache, and you're able to continue with your trip. And the last one that I have, number 5, is to get it done correctly. Sometimes these places that you take your RV to get repaired, they don't always have the skill set to make those repairs. It's very unfortunate, but I've had experiences where I've taken my RV in to get repaired, and I've left with more problems. So very, very bad problems. But anyways, it's unfortunate, but that sometimes happens. It's a very busy business to make repairs on RVs, and the workers that do the repairs are under the crunch to get the repairs done quickly because people are waiting on it, and then they have a huge schedule of other people waiting to get repairs done. So it's unfortunate, but that's just the way it is, and that's another reason to learn how to do your own repairs, and getting it done correctly is pretty huge. So the 5 top reasons are the cost, the schedule, the time, that it takes to build your own confidence, the convenience, and to ensure that you're getting it done correctly. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.